Welcome to Maraj Air Conditioning Ltd, your destination for comfort. I am Kishore Maraj, the CEO at Maraj Air Conditioning Ltd, and we are recognized as the leading provider for wholesale and retail distribution of automotive and commercial AC parts. We also provide installation, service and repairs for residential, commercial and automotive air conditioning. With 40 years of industry experience, our versatile range of dynamic products and expert services have been crafted to exceed our customers' expectations. Our service departments are equipped with a team of highly qualified professionals who possess the required knowledge, skill, and experience to get the job done effectively and efficiently. Providing comfort is at the heart of what we do, and our products are innovative, durable, and best-in-class solutions for every space, every room, and every application. Visit or contact us today at 674-6348, where one of our friendly and attentive associates will assist you in getting started on a cooler tomorrow. Your comfort is our goal.